Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install Node.js and how to write first program on Node.js. So what is Node.js? Node.js is a server-side JavaScript runtime environment and Node.js is open source and Node.js runs on top of the Google's V8 engine and V8 engine is nothing but a Google Chrome's rendering engine. What is the usage of Node.js? So Node.js is used for non-blocking event-driven servers and it is used for traditional websites development and backend API services. The important point that we need to remember is Node.js is not a framework, it is just a runtime environment. So we'll go deeper on these statements in our upcoming sessions. Now let's see how to install Node.js. Download Node.js, download and select installer depends on your OS. I'm selecting Windows installer. So it has been downloaded, MSA package. Double click on it, next, accept. You can change the installation path here if you want. And by default, I am installing all these. So this is for advanced versions. If you can click select installation completed. Now let us check the Node.js on our mission. So open command type node dash v. You can see Node.js has been installed. Version is 14.15.1 and even you can see npm version also. So npm will come up with Node.js installation 6.14.8. Now it is time for writing a simple Node.js program. So right click and create a new folder. I am creating on desktop. You can create anywhere. Node.js and open Visual Studio Code or any editor that you like. File, open folder, Node.js, select folder. And we don't have any files here. I'm going to create a new file. New file. I'm going to give the name hello dot. The extension is JS. As I told, we write all the code in JavaScript only. So we are not going to write any new script or new language. And here I will write console.log welcome to Node.js. You might be little surprised that we have written simple JavaScript code console.log and how it is different. For your information, console object or class is not from the JavaScript. It is inherited from the browser. And you can go to Node.js site and where you can go to docs and where you can see the API section. There you can see that console class is available in the Node.js documentation and it is available in the Node.js API. So console class is available and you can see that console.log, console.clear and everything is there here. How to run the Node.js program. So in order to run the Node.js program, you can go to this path in the command prompt or using Visual Studio Code, you can just go to terminal, new terminal and this is the one way of opening terminal. Otherwise, you can press the control and tilde symbol that also will open the terminal. And here you can write like this node space and file name hello.js. You should make sure that we are in the folder where the hello.js is available. And you can see welcome to Node.js. I know this is very simple program, but this is how you run the Node.js program using node-hello.js. As I said, you can run this in the command prompt also. Like let's say open the command prompt and go to this location cd desktop cd node Node.js is our folder name, and here node space hello.js. You can see welcome to Node.js. So this is how you run the Node.js program. In our upcoming session, I will be covering all the important concept of Node.js. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.